कपड़े सुखा दो। Put the clothes to dry. Put the clothes to dry. आलू छील दो। Peel off the potatoes. Peel off the potatoes. संतरा छील दो। Peel off the orange. Peel off the orange. बिस्तर लगा दो। Make the bed. Make the bed. ढक्कन खोल दो। Open the lid. Open the lid. नल खोल दो। Turn on the tap. Turn on the tap. नल बंद कर दो। Turn off the tap. Turn off the tap. चादर बिछा दो। Spread the bed sheet. Spread the bed sheet. बिस्तर पर चादर बिछा दो। Spread the sheet on the bed. Spread the sheet on the bed. दीवार पर सहारा मत लो। Do not lean against the wall. Do not lean against the wall. मुझ पर सहारा मत लो। Do not lean against me. Do not lean against me. मेरे कंधे पर अपना सिर मत रखो। Do not lean your head on my shoulder. Do not lean your head on my shoulder. दिमाग से काम लो। Use your brain. Use your brain. धीमे बोलो। Speak softly. Speak softly. धीरे बोलो। Speak slowly. Speak slowly. तेज बोलो। Speak quickly. Speak quickly. ऊंचा बोलो। Speak aloud. Speak aloud. खाना लगा दो। Serve the food. Serve the food. दबे पाँव चलो। Walk on the tiptoe. Walk on the tiptoe. वो दबे पाँव कमरे में घुसा। He tiptoed into the room. He tiptoed into the room. मुझ पर एहसान मत करो। Don't favor me. Don't favor me. बहाने मत बनाओ। Don't make excuses. Don't make excuses. समय की नजाकत को समझो। Understand the delicacy of time. Understand the delicacy of time. अपने बाल बना लो। Comb your hair. Comb your hair. समझने की कोशिश करो। Try to understand. Try to understand. मुझे गुस्सा मत दिलाओ। Don't make me angry. Don't make me angry. उसे समय लेने दो। Let him take time. Let him take time. आँख मत करो। Do not wink. Do not wink. इशारा मत करो। Do not gesture. Do not gesture. बकबक मत करो। Don't prattle. Don't prattle. बकवास मत करो। Don't talk nonsense. Don't talk nonsense. जिद मत करो। Don't be stubborn. Don't be stubborn. मुझसे पंगे मत लो। Do not mess with me. Don't mess with me. धूप सेक लो, bask in the sun, bask in the sun। रोटियां बेल लो, roll the chapatis, roll the chapatis। रोटी कैसे बनाएं, how to roll the chapati, how to roll the chapati। आटा गूंथ लो, knead the flour, knead the flour। रोटियां सेक लो, bake the chapatis, bake the chapatis। जूते पहन लो, put on the shoes, put on the shoes। जूते उतार लो, take off the shoes, take off the shoes। शर्ट पहन लो, wear the shirt, wear the shirt। शर्ट उतार लो, take off the shirt, take off the shirt। दिल पे मत लो, don't take it to heart, don't take it to heart। उसे विदा कर दो, see him off, see him off। उसे गाली मत दो, don't abuse him, don't abuse him। अंधेरा हो रहा है, it's getting dark, it's getting dark। अंधेरा हो गया, it's got dark, it's got dark। मुझे नहाने दो, let me take a bath, let me take a bath। जाकर सो जाओ, go and sleep, go and sleep। मुझे ठंड लग रही है, I am feeling cold, I am feeling cold। बारिश हो रही है, it's raining, it's raining। फ़ोन आ रहा है, the phone is ringing, the phone is ringing। मशीन चालू करो, switch on the machine, switch on the machine। मशीन चलाओ, operate the machine, operate the machine। AC बंद करो, switch off the AC, switch on off the AC। AC ऑन करो, switch on the AC, switch on the AC। सुबह हो गई, it's morning, it's morning। मेरे साथ चलो, come with me, come with me। उसे मत देखो, don't look at him, don't look at him। उसे मत घूरो, don't stare at him, don't stare at him। नौकरी कर लो, start a job, start a job। नौकरी ढूंढ लो, find a job, find a job। ड्राइविंग सीख लो, learn driving, learn driving। तुम सीख जाओगे, you will learn, you will learn। तुम में कला है, you have the art, you have the art। इंडिया जीतेगी, India will win, India will win। तुम अंग्रेजी सीखोगे, you will learn English, you will learn English। मैं दिल्ली से आ रहा हूँ, I'm coming from Delhi, I'm coming from Delhi। मैं देहरादून से आ रहा हूँ, I'm coming from देहरादून, I'm coming from देहरादून। वे पार्क से आए। They came from park. They came from park. मैं कल से काम करूँगा। I will work from tomorrow. I will work from tomorrow. राम 10 बजे से काम करेगा। Ram will work from 10 o'clock. Ram will work from 10 o'clock. मैंने राम से ये सुना। I heard it from Ram. I heard it from Ram. मैंने ये किताब से लिखा। I wrote it from the book. I wrote it from the book. हम उत्तराखंड से हैं। We are from Uttarakhand. We are from Uttarakhand. मैं 10 से 5 बजे तक काम करता हूँ। I work from 10 to 5. I work from 10 to 5. वो दुकान से ये खरीद रहा है। He is buying it from the shop. He is buying it from the shop. मैंने मोबाइल को बिस्तर से उठाया। I picked the mobile off the bed. I picked the mobile off the bed. मैं स्क्रीन से धूल हटा रहा हूँ। I am wiping the dust off the screen. I am wiping the dust off the screen. बंदर पेड़ से कूदा। Monkey jumped off the tree. Monkey jumped off the tree. टेबल से कप हटा दो। Move the cup off the table. Move the cup off the table. पत्ते पेड़ से गिर रहे हैं। Leaves are falling off the tree. Leaves are falling off the tree. वो बस से उतर रहा है। He is getting off the bus. He is getting off the bus. मैं सुबह से पढ़ रहा हूँ। I have been studying since morning. I have been studying since morning. वो सोमवार से कोशिश कर रहा है। He has been trying since Monday. He has been trying since Monday. राम 4 बजे से घूम रहा है। Ram has been walking since 4. Ram has been walking since 4. मैं सुबह से खेल रहा हूँ। I have been playing since morning. I have been playing since morning. वो कल से यहाँ है। He has been here since yesterday. He has been here since yesterday. नेहा दोपहर से रो रही है। नेहा has been weeping since noon. नेहा has been weeping since noon. मैं तब से पढ़ रहा हूँ। I have been studying since then. I have been studying since then. मम्मी 5 बजे से घर पर हैं। Mom is at home since 5 o'clock. Mom is at home since 5 o'clock. मैं 2 घंटे से पढ़ रहा हूँ। I have been studying for 2 hours. I have been studying for 2 hours. वो कई दिनों से कोशिश कर रहा है। He has been trying for many days. He has been trying for many days. मैंने ये तुम्हारे लिए किया। I did it for you. I did it for you. वो मेरे पास पैसे के लिए आया। He came to me for money. He came to me for money. मैंने 500 रुपये में मोबाइल दिया। I gave a mobile for rupees 500. I gave a mobile for ₹500. उसने 5 रुपये में पेन खरीदा. He bought a pen for ₹5. He bought a pen for ₹5. राम 2 घंटे से घूम रहा है. Ram has been walking for 2 hours. Ram has been walking for 2 hours. मैं काफ़ी देर से खेल रहा हूँ. I've been playing for a long. I've been playing for a long. वो 10 मिनट से यहाँ थी. She had been here for 10 minutes. She had been here for 10 minutes. नेहा 2 दिन से कह रही है. Neha has been saying for 2 days. Neha has been saying for 2 days. मैं कई दिनों से पढ़ रहा हूँ. I have been studying for many days. I have been studying for many days. मैं जनवरी में पैदा हुआ था. I was born in January. I was born in January. वो 2015 में घर आएगा. He will come home in 2015. He will come home in 2015. मैंने जून 2009 में कंपनी छोड़ी. I left the company in June 2009. I left the company in June 2009. मैं आधे घंटे में निकलूँगा. I will leave in half an hour. I will leave in half an hour. मैं दिल्ली में रहता हूँ. I live in Delhi. I live in Delhi. वो अमेरिका में पढ़ाई करेगा. He will study in America. He will study in America. मुझे इस मोबाइल में गाने नहीं मिले. I found no songs in this mobile. I found no songs in this mobile. हमने ये किताब में पढ़ा है. We have read it in the book. We have read it in the book. अयांश आधे घंटे में निकलेगा. अयांश will leave in half an hour. अयांश will leave in half an hour. मैं बैंक में काम करता हूँ. I work in a bank. I work in a bank. मैंने कंप्यूटर में ये फ़ोटो देखी. I saw this photograph in computer. I saw this photograph in computer. ये गाना तुम्हारे मोबाइल में है. This song is there in your mobile. This song is there in your mobile. कॉफ़ी को कप में डालो. Pour the coffee into the cup. Pour the coffee into the cup. वो कमरे में जा रहा है. He is going into the room. He is going into the room. यह ट्रेन समय से पहले पहुँचेगी. This train will reach before time. This train will reach before time. मैं तुम्हारे निकलने से पहले आऊँगा. I will come before you leave. I will come before you leave. अब मैं आपके सामने खड़ा हूँ. Now I am standing before you. Now I am standing before you. वो अपने पापा के सामने बैठा था. He was sitting before his dad. He was sitting before his dad. वो मेरे सामने खड़ा था. He was standing before me. He was standing before me. वो मेरे सामने टिक नहीं सकता. He can't stand in front of me. He can't stand in front of me. मैं तुमसे 10 बजे के बाद मिलूँगा. I will meet you after 10. I will meet you after 10. मैं उनके बाद पहुंचा. I reached after them. I reached after them. मैं अपने प्रोफेसर के पीछे पड़ गया था. I was after my professor. I was after my professor. मेरे पापा ने 3 बार मना कर दिया, पर मैं अभी भी उनके पीछे पड़ा हुआ हूँ. My father denied me thrice, but I am still after him. My father denied me thrice, but I am still after him. ट्रेन समय के बाद पहुँचेगी. The train will reach after time. The train will reach after time. मैं तुम्हारे जाने के बाद आऊँगा. I will come after you leave. I will come after you leave. वो राहुल से 10 बजे के बाद मिला. He met Rahul after 10. He met Rahul after 10. पुलिस चोर के पीछे पड़ी हुई है. The police are after the thief. The police are after the thief. मुझे किसी के द्वारा रोका गया. I was stopped by someone. I was stopped by someone. उसे अपने पापा द्वारा भेजा जा सकता है. He can be sent by his father. He can be sent by his father. मैंने बस से यात्रा की. I traveled by bus. I traveled by bus. वो दोपहर की फ्लाइट से आ रहा है. He is coming by noon flight. He is coming by noon flight. मैं 4 बजे तक निकल जाऊंगा. I will leave by 4 o'clock. I will leave by 4 o'clock.